want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
This was my first ride on this bike since I purchased it. This wasn't an ideal place to attempt a break-in for the motor. I was trying to do a 15-minute heat cycle, 15-minute downtime, but there was just too many people and I didn't feel real comfortable on this bike. So you'll see throughout the circuit track here, I only do about a quarter throttle. I'll try not to kill myself on this bike. A kid was nice enough to pick this flag up, so thank you if you see this video.